So based on the Super Bowl, they have obviously.
Look at you. You're on fire today. Look at you just moving and grooving. Look at you. You're flying today. What happened? Is it because it's because the 15-minute thing?
No.
It's because I said 12:15, like I wasn't going to make it right at 12, and then all of a sudden you're like, okay, let me lift some weights over here.
No, there's no rushing involved. I just want to move the show along.
That's great, man.
Yeah,
go ahead. No, go ahead. No, hey, have at it. Go ahead. I want to learn.
There was like a Super Bowl ad against Tesla. Have you seen this one?
I have not.
Let's see. Why does NHTSA allow Tesla full self-driving? And it's pretty much a commercial that shows off a Tesla hitting objects during the Super Bowl.
Is this that guy that's been going after Tesla for a while?
Yeah. The Dawn Project.
Dawn Project, yeah. And Elon gets pissed every time. The 30-second ad, which broadcast to millions of football fans in Washington, D.C. and state capitals like Austin, Tallahassee, Albany, Atlanta, and Sacramento, outlines several alleged critical safety defects of Tesla FSD, the automaker's advanced driver assistance system. FSD is not actually full self-driving. We talked about this a few times on the show. It's like nobody really, at this point, I don't see too many people defending the terminology. Almost everybody, when I talk about it in the comments, almost everybody seems to agree that it's like we may have a terminology issue here. And we may want to, well, I don't know if Tesla's going to change it at this point, but I think some of us really wish that it was called something else that was more indicative of how it actually works, what you actually use it for. And, the cost of it is $15,000 too. So some people might think it is, oh my God, Will, what a Tesla's just gonna run over this child right now?
Yeah.
Oh jeez, dude.
And it's just video footage of Teslas hitting things or swerving or entering do not enter pathways.
Yeah. Wait. Go back to that. How does this guy get out? But he was on the other side. How's he traveling, that guy?
So they have a rope attached to the person or the mannequin. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Oh, Musk responded. Of course he responded.
So he does respond.
Yeah. Well, okay. What is in it for this other guy? Like, what is the motive? Does he have a company, or is he just pissed? Or the Dawn Project is the name of it. The founder, Dan O'Dowd, is the CEO of Greenhill Software, a company that builds operating systems for embedded safety and security systems, as well as its own automated driving systems. Okay. All right. So now I have the story. So this guy has his own product, I suppose, and he believes it's safer than what Tesla is.
Yeah. And calling it,
Gotcha.
Tesla FSD is not right.
Yeah, he claims Tesla's FSD has critical malfunction every 8 minutes. All right, now let's go ahead and see what Elon's reply is. Tesla's official website calls the phenomenon autopilot and full self-driving capability. We know that. According to the car manufacturer, the self-driving feature dubbed as Advanced Driver System, which is a way better name, by the way. That one right there is perfectly fine. Advanced Driver System. You're just
ADS.
Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, that sounds about right. Dan O'Dowd puts the advert, and I guess it was on the Super Bowl, but it was also on Twitter. 30 seconds long. I mean, it's powerful, right? You just see a Tesla hitting basically children.
Yeah.
The next scene shows a shaky driver plow through a car into two push chairs on the road. The video then ends with the text, why does highway traffic safety allow full self-driving? And here's Elon's response. Oh, just a laughing face?
Yeah.
Wow. Just a laughing face, Will?
He did respond later on, I think, here.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, okay, here. Thank you, real Dan O'Dowd, for spending $7 million for this Tesla advertisement. It's very clear that your testing was fake, but grateful for spreading the word that Teslas are the leader for general autonomy.
So apparently these Teslas in the video were rigged.
Rigged how? How do you rig?
I don't know.
People were saying the Super Bowl was rigged. I think people are into rigged. Rigged is big. We should look at Google Trends for the word rigged. Can you give me some quick numbers on that? It really feels that we're in a rigged. What isn't rigged at this point? Life itself is rigged, right? The Matrix, like it's rigged. Okay, give me like a worldwide rigged. All right, it's on its way down now. Give me a shorter period of time. Give me like 30 days. Let me see a 30-day rigged chart. Ooh, there's a big rigged moment there. January 30th. I don't know.
100 rigged.
That's a huge rigged. Interesting. Anyway, so Elon says those cars were rigged and now we'll never know and we get to continue to live in chaos land. My Tesla has not hit a child yet. So, and I'm typically attentive still. Like I haven't snoozed or anything yet. And I think that's the
You got to pay attention.
recommendation at the moment, regardless. But you know what, man? You give people technology, they misuse it.
Sure.
You know,
Yeah.
you give people technology, and all of a sudden you're like, "Hey, man, put that technology down." Obviously, you're not ready for that, and so it really comes back to the individual, and it's easier for us to, get our hands on this stuff than ever before, and everybody is fallible, susceptible.
Yeah.